Why should you care if you're good at difficult conversations where people disagree and emotion might rise up? Well, for starters, because these can be some of the most important moments of our lives. These are the moments where you get the raise and the promotion, or you don't. You keep your job, or you don't. The candidate you want to hire accepts your offer, or they don't. Your ideas get adopted into the project at work, or they don't. Perhaps even you stay married, or you don't. Furthermore, I care about difficult conversations because I care about happiness. In fact, as founder and chief happiness officer of Happy Brain Science, I've essentially devoted my work life to happiness. Because science suggests happiness boosts productivity, creativity, resilience, health, and many more of the things we want in life. And solid science also suggests that the quality of our relationships is a major factor in our happiness. So being skillful at relationships when they can get challenging is incredibly valuable. That's why I hope you'll decide to join us for the upcoming workshop, Collaboration Through Candid Conversation. We're going to look at science and data that shows the value of disagreements. They can be scary for us, but in fact they can be very valuable as well. We're going to see how disagreements are actually collaboration opportunities, creativity opportunities, because creativity and innovation often happen when disparate ideas are combined and integrated, as can happen in a difficult conversation. We're going to see that to do that well, you need to bring all of your assertiveness and all of your flexibility at the same time. That is roughly a gazillion times easier said than done if you're feeling upset and disagreeing with someone. So we're also going to look at boosting your emotional intelligence in order to boost your success. I so hope that you'll decide to join us, and I'll see you soon in Collaboration Through Candid Conversation.